Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. Quick unwrapping. Let's go do it. Menlo. It's not that monthly time. I know it's backwards. It's not that monthly time, but ordered something. They had a good sale going on. So once again, bought something that probably ain't gonna get a chance to wear. Or if I do, it's gonna be some months from now. Anyway, it's the real deal. Opening right in front of y'all. Packaging. So I ordered two things, but I don't think both of them are in here. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Let's just check it out though. Oh, two of them might be in here. That's how light it is. Oh my. All right. Yep. Fall out of the way. All right. So we got these kind of I actually got them on right now. You can look past my stomach and stuff. See these pants? They shorts though. They shorts. So same material, same kind of fit. Got some like some little cargo pockets, so if you run in and all that type of stuff. But Grand AC running club. But same thing here. Except these are actually, you know, the long pants joggers, and you can I don't usually do it, but you can adjust these, kind of put them to your liking. That's dope. I have two pairs of these in black and the long, not just in the short. I got them in the long, like this, and super comfortable, light. Just throw them on, go do what you gotta do. They get dirty, you just put them in the wash. Very durable. Look how all of that right up. But essential right here, essential. Oh, and this was supposed to be in a January package, so I got kind of jealous that I didn't get it. So I just ordered it here. But there's a couple of colors. I think black, navy blue, and burgundy. So I got the black to see what it do. I think this might be too small. Let's check it out. Put it on real quick. But same kind of material. Workout thing. I was super excited to get it in January, but didn't work out like that. So far so good. All right, yeah. So far so good. Yeah. The only thing is, probably won't be able to zip this up. Mr. Wide Torso, but I don't know. What do y'all think? Only thing is, if I get another size though, I think it'll kind of go kind of long. But I should be able to zip my jacket up though. That's the thing I should be able to do. Oh, I guess I can. It's being late. All right. I think I like it, but I don't think I won't even. I thought we were like this, but it's super dope. Like going on a walk or something. Don't want that heavy. Put your ID and your money and all that stuff there. Don't want to. iPod. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, could be a little bigger in the torso, but that's just my body shape. But yeah, I said now. Look kind of you know, but it's all good, because guess what? Look at this loose, huh? Rock it like that. Yeah. Super light too. Super light. I'm messing with it. So we got the pants, we got this, and yeah, it was for the good price, for the good brother. You know, I'm messing with it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Hey, do I need another size? Cause hey, look at that. I want the sleeve to be a little. Hey. Look, I don't know. I'm starting off. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, y'all. Dang. Stand up straight, stand up straight. So, go do your thizzle. That's good, y'all. And it's, guess what? It's not gonna shrink. Boy just needs to lose some more weight. Nah, ain't how it works, but to the back. I don't know, the fact that I'm questioning it. Alright, yeah. So, I think we good, man. I think we good. We good. The thing I like about the material, and it's just lightweight, so, man. Anyway, thanks for coming back again. Thanks for supporting the channel, KB's World. 1,000 subs. As always, I'm thankful, and yeah, keep coming back. We're gonna get this watch time up, and we're gonna get monetized, and we gonna do it. And then I ain't got nobody to thank but y'all. Next time, till the next time I see y'all, be safe, take care of each other, be healthy, and long live D-Mac.